Yo, Elliot. Crooney55749's asked a question. He wants to know, yo, Elliot, I'm a high school varsity offensive lineman. Should I cut weight? He weighs 240 right now, he explains, and he wants to get down to 220. He's 6'2", he's a big boy. He says he wants to look like Brock Lesnar. He wants to be gigantic and somewhat cut. So he's got a plan of doing CrossFit workouts, adopting a paleo method of eating, and he wants to know if there's any flaws in going CrossFit and paleo. Look, you're a football player. Add to that you're an offensive lineman, right? You guys gotta excuse me. My voice, I did a workshop this weekend, talked for 48 hours straight, so my voice is kind of lost. You're an offensive lineman. That means you've got to be big, you've got to be strong, you got to be able to destroy people in front of you. You got to be a big mass of monster and strength to just smash people down into the ground. Pancake them, that's what we used to call it in high school, college, when I played, right? You don't want to get pancaked. I know you want to lose the belly fat, but you're an anchor. That's your fucking job. Helicopter. Military bases right around my house, right around the gym. You're an anchor. That's your job. Your job is to be immovable. So if I want to be immovable, I want to be as heavy as possible. I know you're in high school. You probably want to get laid also, right? I mean, Brock Lesnar is a sexy man, isn't he? Sexy dude. But you've got to decide what you want. What do you want? What do you want? You want to look like a CrossFitter? Because that's what you're asking me if you should do. Should I go do CrossFit and eat paleo? Yes, you should, if you want to look like a CrossFitter. I've never seen a giant, jacked CrossFitter that I would want to put in front of my quarterback. Right? In high school, when you're trying to lose 20 pounds. If you're a good football player, why are you gonna go and throw away all your potential by trying to look like a CrossFitter and doing CrossFit workouts? Which, by the way, and I'm learning this stuff because I'm studying bodybuilding now. I'm kind of paying attention a little bit to what you guys do to get lean. By the way, CrossFit workouts are just burning glycogen. They're very catabolic in nature. And the fact that you're probably not gonna eat very much calories any longer because you're doing a paleo approach is gonna mean you're gonna be burning a shitload of muscle. In my experience, because I used to do weight training in the morning and I go to my friend's CrossFit gym at night. In my experience, you're gonna get smaller, but you're still gonna be a little soft, right? You're still gonna have a little softness on your body. And you're burning your muscle. You're burning the glycogen. You're burning all the energy in your muscle that you're gonna need for football practice, for football strength training, hypertrophy. That's what you need. You need hypertrophy. You wanna get bigger because you're an offensive lineman, you're an anchor. The best thing that I would do, what I would do if I were you, is granted that your current football strength training program is good. If you don't have one, use mine. I'll put a link down below, which includes bodybuilding, powerlifting, and strongman functional exercise. So you're getting big, you're getting strong, and you're getting functional. Do that, but like I said in other videos, go back to the low intensity, high volume cardio, not the HIIT shit. You're already doing that when you play football, right? You're running gassers, you're already doing that. You got that. Go for a walk on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. Do that 5-7 days a week. Go for that walk. Your diet, bro, paleo makes sense because it means keeping the processed foods out. That's great, keep the processed foods out. But you're gonna need carbs, man. You need those sweet potatoes, that brown rice. So don't throw everything away for a set of six-pack abs. Keep playing football, keep being an anchor, keep getting stronger, keep getting bigger, and go for a walk to strip a little bit of that fat. Hope that helps. Yo, Elliot,